Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be fixing my exhaust leak using just these two products. So let's climb underneath and get it fixed. So here's my exhaust leak. This whole part's separated right here. So the first step you need to do is clean this up all around here with a steel brush. The next step is to wipe that area down and wet it. And then we'll apply this muffler and tailpipe sealer to the joint, and then we'll apply the sealing tape after that. Alright, we applied a nice bead all the way around. And now we're going to fit the exhaust back to it. And we need to let that sit for 30 minutes and then we'll wrap that tape around. Alright, I got the tape wrapped around it. It comes in a roll like this. And you peel the backing off and you wrap it around where the leak is. I'm sure it'd be much easier if it was somewhere in this area here, instead of right up. It's kind of a tight fit in here, so I wasn't able to record while I was applying it. Now that you have it all wrapped around and your putty in there, the next step is to let the car idle for 30 minutes. And that's supposed to create a solid seal bond. So let's go ahead and run the car for 30 minutes and we'll check back and see how it looks. Alright, we let the car run for 30 minutes now. And it looks like the epoxy that's in this tape is starting to set up. So we'll see how this holds up. I'll run it like this for a few days and then I'll check it again. So far it looks like it's going to be okay. The pipe is nice and solid now. And it seems to be attached there pretty good. Up on top here where the tape didn't get as hot, it's still not sticking very good. But I think as I drive it longer, that tape will stick down and it'll seal up pretty nice. Here are the two products that I used. And I'll leave a link in the description where you can get yours. If you guys have any comments, please leave them down below. And remember to get outdoors with Deano.